In the curriculum 25.3, Conservation of Matter, one of the questions is, on the labs that we just did in the previous video is there still water in the bag and is it the same amount? Kind of hard to answer that question. So we got to thinking, if we create the same environment, we put water in a plastic bag with half of a tab, we get the same amount, 24 grams. What happens to the water when we put the Alka-Seltzer in the water? And I think the only way we can figure that out is by adding more Alka-Seltzer. So why don't you go ahead and do that? Add more Alka-Seltzer than what is prescribed, the original amount.
It's turning into something else.
It's turning into something else? Well, what happens to the water, though, is what the question is.
Well, it's being converted, basically. It's becoming something else.
Okay. Well, wait. We're going to put a whole bunch more.
At the same time?
Yeah, at the same time.
Okay.
In fact, you can open those up, put those in, too. It's just overkill. No,
Does it help?
I put some more in.
Debbie said, put some more. Debbie said. Sorry, it was a funny thing with this company. The video was up against her forehead. She kept saying that.
Okay. You think that'll make the water go away? You think that's enough?
Probably not.
All right, put another one in then.
Guess we'll just do it with those.
You think that's enough?
Yep,
Okay.
probably. Well,
right.
Probably. I'm not entirely sure.
Let's get a weight of that before you dump all those in the water.
Well, it's gonna be the same weight afterward.
Well, I know, but let's just... Oh, good idea. 38 grams.
Yeah,
All right.
Hold on.
40 grams.
It's gonna start boiling up fast, most likely. See how much that is? Oh, jelly beans out. Yeah, it's definitely not enough to get rid of all the water, but you know.
Yeah.
We have more. But if
We
you
do.
open the bag, it'd be less.
Well, some of that carbon dioxide might come out.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Before it only went up a little bit.
Yeah. We could always measure the amount of water that's in it with a line in the cup. I should have perhaps marked a line when I measured out the water. When we do this, the bag might end up busting.
I don't think it's gonna. Not right now.
If we put more Alka-Seltzer in, the bag might bust.
Honestly, right now, it looks like there's more water, but it's most likely because they're still in here. I'm stupid. It's kind of like adding ice to something, but it still looks like a lot more.
Well, it all did not dissolve, so... Actually, I suppose it doesn't really matter if the gas escapes, right?
Nope, but I don't want it to pop.
It is actually. Oh my goodness.
Maybe we should have gone with a bigger bag.
Oh.
I think it's gonna remain the same.
Yeah, it's a little grand. It's off a little bit, but it may not have been precisely 40. Obviously, unless there's a leak. I don't think there is.
No, most likely not.
Oh my goodness.
You know, I wonder if eventually the Alka-Seltzer would just like stop.
Yeah, there's still Alka-Seltzer there, but probably not enough to get rid of all the water.
I think most definitely not enough.
Well, that was kind of fun.
Well, I figured out how to make pillows.
Poison pillows.
Poison? Huh?
The carbon dioxide is bad for people.
Then why do
Well,
people
to
put
inhale,
it in
like,
medicine?
at least to inhale.
Oh.
Well, the medicine is going to be in the liquid, not in the gas.
Which is why you burp it all up.
It is probably why you burp after you drink an Alka-Seltzer.
She's probably
Oh,
right.
hey, get a birthday candle and a lighter.
Why?
Just for fun. It's the next drawer over.
For fun, for what?
Oh, I'll show you. It's a nifty little experiment.
I'll need a lighter. I don't think this one works.
No, that one doesn't work. There's one over by the candle on the table. Well, determined nothing when it comes to how much water is in here. Could probably do a more controlled environment and actually see, but I think it suffice to say some of that is converted into carbon dioxide. Some of the water is converted into carbon dioxide when it's mixed with the Alka-Seltzer. That's how hard this is.
It's like luncheon bag. Whoa! It's like squeeze. Well, I would do that. But
We need a third person. Hey, Max,
Yeah.
would you come here, please?
A third person for what?
Wait a minute, let me turn that back on. Sorry.
I don't think this is gonna work. No, it will.
Oh, I tried it last night.
Max. Well, that's just the thing. Max, Isabel, and Nick are using.
Is that gonna blow up?
It might blow up, I don't know. It's really...
It's
Can
like,
you light that candle?
It's like it's pregnant or something.
Oh no, do we not have a
Dang it.
ability to light it?
I'm gonna
Okay,
get
okay.
this away.
So, Audrey, open up the bag and then pour the carbon dioxide out onto the candle, onto the lit candle.
Why?
You'll see.
I don't want to open this bag.
No one does.
And here,
Max, what are you doing?
stop, please. All right.
Wow. Max, why over this?
Because I don't want the wax to get on the countertop.
No.
Well, open it and then pour it. Is it open?
No.
That scared me on.
That felt so weird.
Here
It
you
was
go.
just like pop.
I'm holding it up so that the carbon dioxide doesn't come out. All right. Now pour it over on the
It's
candle.
terrifying. Oh, I let it out. Wait, what?
That's air. That was air.
That's not air. That's carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Oh, that smells weird.
Fire cannot burn without air, and carbon dioxide gets rid of air. Which is really interesting because trees like carbon dioxide, and then they grow and make air.
Blow up.
But yeah.
I'm gonna let this.
Turn carbon dioxide into air.
I'm gonna let
No, the
that.
reason we did this experiment was just to try something to see what would happen with the amount of water in the bag. It looks like
Oh, cold.
Still blowing up again.
Yeah,
it's still sizzling.
I closed it.
it's still sizzling,
Why
but
did you stop?
it would appear
Well, that's weird.
we can't tell how much water is left in the bag, but that's okay.
I am terrified of this.
That was fun.